Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Something shocking has happened. My 10-year-old has all of a sudden decided to care about how he dresses. He picked out these Nike Team Hustle tennis shoes all on his own. Literally went onto Amazon, did a search, and he was drawn to these because of the gold accents. He loves the design. I like that these are a basketball style shoe. He had a high top before and those were kind of difficult for him to get off and on. These are much easier. Plus they have a little loop on the heel so you can slide your finger in there and pull up. That makes on and off easier as well. We've had plenty of Nike shoes in the past. They always seem to hold up well for us. Quality is a big deal because this kid is really hard on shoes. It's pretty adorable though. I've never seen him so proud of any shoe. I think that these make him feel pretty cool. And that's our point of view.